Welcome to my channel. Today's special recipe is sole fish curry and fry in Mangalore style. Sole fish are a good source of selenium, vitamin B12 and phosphorus as well as other minerals and vitamins. They are typically lower in mercury than any other types of fish. It is flat fish that truly relishes your taste buds. The meat of sole fish is pure white, boneless and flaky, naturally low in fat and high in protein. Today I am making fish curry using sole fish in Mangalore style. This sole fish belongs to whitefish family. So we use less spices to make this curry and we make it yellow color curry using lot of coconut. I got today fresh sole fish and bigger ones also. Even you will get more bigger in the market. Better to buy big sole fish. Sole fish you can even make curry and as well as you can fry. Both taste amazing. Please come to my kitchen. Note the ingredients for fish curry. Sole fish 1.5 kg made into pieces. Red chilli around 75 grams. 1 big onion. 3 garlics. Half teaspoon of cumin. 2 teaspoons of coriander. Turmeric powder half teaspoon. 1 small lemon size tamarind, 1 small coconut full grated, it is fresh. For seasoning, 4 green chillies, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 onion and coconut oil and last salt for taste. Now it's the time for grinding all the masalas and making a fine paste. To make this fish curry, I am using grinder to make a very fine paste of these masalas. That fine paste tastes amazing in our fish curry. Adding all the masalas to the grinder. Chopped onion and garlic. Turmeric, coconut, it is tamarind juice. You can add according to your taste. I will add a little now. When making gravy, I will check and I will add again if it is needed. And now we have to grind well. I am not using any other masalas like fenugreek seeds or pepper. I use only these simple masalas and the curry comes out very well. Masala is ready. Masala for fish curry, it is ready. It is thick masala and this is taken after washing grinder. Coconut oil for frying, onion, green chilli and ginger. Now it is light golden brown. It's almost ready now. Adding thick masala, mix well, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Close the lid. Now the masala is cooked well. thick masala. We have to cook well in the onion, ginger and with green chilli. Coconut flavor gives a very good aroma to our fish curry. It is ready now. Now I will add the washed water of the grinder, and now you check the consistency. Don't make the gravy very loose, it should be thick. So now you check the salt and how much sour you need. Yeah, I am adding little tamarind juice. I have taken a medium size coconut to prepare thick gravy. It is little more thick. Yeah, mix well and let it boil. Cover the lid and leave it for boiling. It is boiling. I boiled it well for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I add fish. Flame you should keep full. Now with the hands just turn the vessel very carefully because it is very hot, and till one boil keep the flame high. In between now you can cover and keep cook for 4 to 5 minutes after one boil in low flame. Almost 3 minutes now. Mix slowly. Why? Because the fish is very soft. It becomes, when it cooks, it becomes very soft. So mix very carefully. Yeah. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. I'll cover the lid. It is cooked now. See the gravy color. Please mix it very carefully. Gravy is thick enough and it is already sticking to the fish. After cooling, it becomes little more thicker. A good aroma is coming out. I am not adding curry leaves or coriander leaves. We don't add curry leaves or coriander leaves to the fish curry. If you want, you can add. It is ready now. Now we start the marinating for frying fish. 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt little more than 1/4 teaspoon. Lemon half. Now mix all the masala. It is dry, so I am adding little water. 1 small teaspoon of water. Little more, half teaspoon. We have to make a correct consistency. Yeah. Now adding fish pieces. Now the fish pieces are mixed well with the masalas. Now I will keep it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Keep the flame in low and fry till 5 to 6 minutes.
मछली जल की रानी है, देखो कितनी प्यारी है। हाथ लगाओगे ठहर जाएगी, बाहर निकालोगे मर जाएगी। मम्मी ने फ्राई किया तो मैं कहाँ जाऊंगी।
Sole fish curry, boiled rice, and sole fish fry is also ready.